Paneer herbal, known as rennet in Hindi, is a magical herb. Herbal paneer plant is native to Afghanistan, India, Pakistan and Nepal. It belongs to the plant family Solanaceae. It is also known as paneer herbal, paneer doda in local languages. This amazing plant is used all over the world for its medicinal properties. Research shows that paneer herb works as an anti-diabetic medicine. It is considered as one of the best herbs for treating diabetes. Paneer herbal has numerous benefits. Here are some of them. 1. Treats diabetes. Like turmeric, fenugreek seeds, jamun juice and okra water, paneer herbs is also one of the natural remedies for diabetes. Paneer herb flower heals the beta cells of your pancreas. These beta cells are important in managing blood sugar levels. It helps promote better insulin utilization in your body. 2. Purifies the blood. Paneer herb acts as a natural blood purifier. It removes toxins from your blood. This property is mainly due to the rich antioxidants present in its flower. It helps detoxify the blood and cleanses it of impurities, germs and foreign substances. Antioxidants also help prevent cell damage by destroying free radicals. 3. Treats asthma. Paneer herb is an incredible remedy for respiratory problems. It works really well in improving lung function. If you suffer from asthma, you can use paneer herb to reduce asthma symptoms and relax your lungs. It can also help prevent sudden asthma attacks along with its healing powers. 4. Relieves body pains. Paneer herb helps to reduce body pain. Its flower works wonders for people suffering from lower back pain and joint pain. Its cheese is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 which help fight arthritis. These fatty acids increase blood flow throughout the body and deal with problems like morning stiffness, soreness, etc. 5. Treats low urine output. Paneer herb increases urine production. The juice of this plant has diuretic properties which help in relieving urinary problems. It also provides relief from painful urination. 6. Relieves menstrual pain. Paneer herb is a wonderful herb which relieves women from menstrual cramps. It helps to prevent many problems which can trouble a woman during her cycle, such as irregular periods, painful periods, etc. It also improves blood flow and maintains the health of the uterus. Paneer dodi is a beneficial herb for women suffering from menstrual problems. 7. Benefits of paneer herb for skin. Paneer herb contains rich antioxidants which help the skin to look younger and accelerate the rejuvenating process. As a result, it also fights the aging process. It also has anti-inflammatory properties which help soothe inflamed skin. Flower extract improves skin barrier. It also prevents sunburn and sun damage when you are out in the sun for a long time. So due to excess production of melanin, your skin may become dull. Paneer herb helps you reduce the production of melanin and your skin becomes brighter. How to use paneer herb? Here is an easy and beneficial way to use paneer herb. Soak 10 to 15 pods of paneer herb in a glass of water overnight. Squeeze them until the water is completely removed from the soaked beans. Strain the water through a sieve and drink it early in the morning on an empty stomach. Caution: paneer herb is not safe in pregnancy and pregnant women should not consume it. People whose sugar decreases should not use this herb. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.